Would you believe if I tell you that this mobile and this laptop are a threat to an environment? Today, we at ARKCA Corporate would be discussing the impact of the electronic devices which we are using and how the government is bringing new rules and regulations and how should we follow so as to mitigate the impact of electronic devices on the environment. One of the contributing factor in the deteriorating environment today is the electronic devices which we use. Once they become useless or obsolete, we care less about their disposal, thereby causing such devices to end up in the landfills. As per CPCB data, Delhi itself accounts for 2 lakh metric tons of electronic waste each year, out of which only 20% get recycled and disposed of, and the rest ends up in the landfill. This 80% of the electronic waste releases harmful substances like mercury, arsenic, lead, cadmium into the environment, thereby affecting the soil, water and air on the micro level first, then disrupting our local ecosystem and finally affecting the regional climate as well. So what would be the next step so as to ensure that such electronic waste doesn't affect our environment? Well, Government of India has lately introduced electronic waste management rules, which mandate all the producers and importers of electronic devices to get themselves registered under these rules. The basic idea behind the rule is to hold the producer and importer responsible for the recycling and disposal of the electronic waste generated out of the electronic devices they produce. We, even as an end user, can contribute to the same rules by ensuring 2 things. Firstly, the devices or the gadgets which we purchase should be only made from the registered supplier. Secondly, the used products or the obsolete electronics should be handed or should be disposed of in the hands of to the registered recycler and refurbisher. Complying with the electronic waste management rules ensure that the less and less electronic goes to the landfill and therefore the environmental impact is reduced significantly. Also, recycling work creates job opportunities in India and it ensures that the precious metals doesn't end up in the landfills, rather it comes back into the economy. So, signing off from this video, what we can conclude is that electronic waste management rule has become of immense importance as of now due to the growing digitalization and changing technologies. Thank you.